Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Happy New Year to everybody, the last day of 2017. Just wanted to thank all our subscribers, everybody who's commented, liked our videos, and helped us grow this channel this year. We really appreciate everyone and hope you've had a great year and your trading's coming along. You're becoming a better trader, whether it's just in cryptos, whether it's in cryptos and other things, or just if you're learning to trade. We're here to help. So thank you very much for subscribing to us and growing the channel. Market's really thin. They're just drifting higher right now. Not much activity this weekend. That's not unexpected, you know, being New Year's and a long weekend, and you know, nothing's going on. So Ethereum, we triggered a trendline trade, hit the first target, never stopped out. Still watching for, again, to return to that first target. And the second target, 786. Pretty much in line with the 0.125 retracement. So on a continued move higher, watch for that. On a pullback, we're watching to see now if this can finally catch on the rotation zone. We got the next scan level down to 0.25 at this 715, and we're getting another cross the rotation zone. This is in consolidation. We're just watching to see if it can finally catch and then push higher without dropping back below and staying in this very sloppy horizontal channel. Again, if that does not hold, you can watch for key support then coming in about 671 and then below that 641. Let's just check the daily on Ethereum. Ethereum still holding the rotation zone. Yesterday, down day, tested at 641 level, but closing then higher in the rotation zone. That's why we pay attention to the closes. Closes are most critical. Most people will not tell you that, or they don't know that. So you can see if we do continue higher, here's the next two targets where they would look, and then the target after that, just in case it would push higher for some reason, would be back to 800. And if we did break below the 641, major support would come in at 568, which is the rising 50-day exponential and the 50% retracement. Switching over to Ripple, 240-minute chart, back above the rotation zone, now sitting at a conjunction between a 25% big picture retracement level and a 50% from this last swing down. Little resistance there. We tested it once, twice. This is third test. What we really want to see, if it continues higher, 215 is the next target up, end of this little mini simple clear path, but then we have an advanced clear path right there. But this is a 62.5% retracement from the major highs to most recent lows. So we want to see it get back above this for a continued move higher. If it fails at that level and turns back lower, then no aggressive trades right now. It means it still's got more to burn off. It means it's still overbought and it was not able to sustain another major push higher. If we do get above that, your next major area to watch is then 225 and then a return to about 244. In case we did have some explosive move higher, we'll do a reverse scan box from here. That'll give a real good indication of the next key levels up. So we're going to produce it from the low on the 30th back to the high on the 29th. That's why it's a reverse scan box. We're going to go in here and format it. We want just a 12.5 and 25% GAN extensions from that. That makes up a reverse scan box. Looking at those levels, that gives us the a 258 and 269 level. I think I have another one mixed up in here. Yeah, I didn't get that one off of there. So 258 and 269 are the new levels if it does continue to push to new time highs. Just looking at the daily. Daily again, rising 8 coming up to it. We just have to see if this can't get again above the 62.5%. Watch for more consolidation and continue to let the 8 catch up. That's it. Just brief video on this New Year's Eve. And hope everyone has a happy and safe New Year's, and talk to everyone soon. Oh, and by the way, traders in the U.S., make sure you know what your tax laws are changing tomorrow, and every crypto trade will be taxed. But double check with your tax advisor or professional tax person on that. We are not tax experts. We are traders here. So we're just throwing that out there to make sure you follow up and know what the new laws that are taking place on January 1st in the U.S. If you're not in the U.S., don't worry about it. Nothing changes. Probably nothing changes for you that I know about. Have a happy and safe New Year, everybody. Talk to everybody next year. Bye for now.